how to present a PowerPoint in Google Meet. So in your Google Meet, once you have your PowerPoint open and try sharing your screen, you'll be able to notice that you'll have some difficulties on opening a PPT. So as you can see, once you share screen, you won't see the PowerPoint option other than this. But if you want the full screen, all you'll have to do is go to your PowerPoint, of course, and then choose this, which will pretty much open it as a presentation. Then what you're going to have to do now is go back to the Google Meet, press the presentation or share screen thing again, and then go to the windows and you'll be able to see the PowerPoint slideshow. So just go ahead and press on share. Then you'll be able to show a PowerPoint presentation. So show your screen anyway. And there we go. Just go back to the PowerPoint to start interacting with that. But hopefully the information of this video can help you, and if it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.